Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Zeinal Arifin. My student ID number is 190-321-10055 from Marketing Management Class A. Here I will make a video to complete the final semester exam for Marketing Management course, so that it won't be long before we go straight to the explanation. Guys lecture. Picture 1 is a picture of guest lecture with a speaker named Muhammad Yusri Mustahdi SP. In this guest lecture, the theme is sharpening leadership ability to build entrepreneurial spirit in students. Here I will discuss a little about the lecture theme. Muhammad Yusri Mustahdi is a graduate of the Agribusiness Study program from the Agriculture Faculty of Trunojoyo Madura University. He explained a lot of material, one of which was to be a leader for yourself before becoming a leader for others. In addition, he also explained about the concept of mindful leadership, namely, in that concept, a person is required to do several things at one time, where when doing things like that, usually someone will be more or less focused and level of accuracy, so that from this concept, someone will be trained to be able to lead themselves to be more focused and more thorough when dealing with something at the same time. The second picture is a picture of a guest lecture with a speaker named Renanta Larissa Putri SP. In this guest lecture, the theme is Challenge in Business Startup for Newbie. Here I will discuss a little about this theme lecture. Renanta Larissa Putri is a graduate of the Agribusiness Study program from the Faculty of Agriculture, Trunojoyo University, Madura. He is the owner and agent of MS Glow Socha Skincare, Bangkalan, East Java. In this quiz lecture, Renanta Larissa Putri explained about business startup for newbie, which is a very interesting topic to discuss, especially in this pandemic era. Many people are fond of the online business world. Motivation in doing export business. The theme of the guest lecture that motivated me to carry out an export business was sharpening leadership ability to build entrepreneurial spirit in students, whose speaker was Muhammad Yusri Mustahdi SP. From the guest lecture, I got various strategies and tips to motivate myself to do export business. As an export entrepreneur, you must have leadership skill in forming the entrepreneurial spirit. In the guest lecture, there are several strategies to become a leader for yourself before becoming a leader for others. Namely, number 1 is be honest with yourself. Number 2, set a target. Number 3, become a leader. Number 4, think positive. And number 5, be humble. Becoming a leader also requires character in running entrepreneurship. Namely, number 1 is have a clear vision. Number 2, courage to take action. Number 3, courage in taking risks. Number 4, believing in yourself. Number 5, skill in communicating and building relationship. Number 6, be a good listener. Number 7, having a mentor or role model. And number 8 is open-minded. The potential and strategy of coffee as a world export commodity. Export commodity. The commodity that I choose to export is coffee. This is because coffee is one of Indonesia's mainstay export commodities that must be developed in order to become the large coffee exporter in the world. Coffee potential in Indonesia. Indonesia is one of the largest coffee producing countries in the world after Brazil, Vietnam, and Colombia. Based on data from the Ministry of Agriculture in 2018, coffee production in Indonesia reached 674,636 tons. Then, for the coffee plantation area in Indonesia, it is in lowland area with a total area of coffee land is 1,256,136 hectares, However, when viewed from the amount of production and land area owned by Indonesia, there are indications that our productivity level is still low, at only 731 kg per hectare. According to the Association of Exporters and the Coffee Industry in Indonesia, as much as 97,000 of Indonesian coffee production still export in the form of green coffee bean that are still raw, and only 3% of which has been exported in the form of processed coffee. The profit derived from coffee export activity will be great when the coffee is exported in processed form, because from this it can open up more jobs for the coffee processing industry. Coffee commodity competitiveness. The position of the Indonesian market in the USA based on the dynamic export product analysis methods include in the rising star, where the USA market is a potential market that provides opportunities for Indonesia coffee product to meet the existing market. Doni et al. 2019. The performance of Indonesian coffee export to the USA can be seen from the position of competitiveness, which is in quadrant 1, rising star, which means that the export trade performance is fast and dynamic. The competitiveness and performance of Indonesian coffee export to the USA need to be maintained and improved. One form of effort that can be taken by Indonesia through quality improvement effort, so that the performance of Indonesia coffee export can be further improved. Maybe that's all I can say. If there is an error, I'm sorry very much. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.